Tiffany, and this is my old bake. Today, we're going to make crinkle cookies. Here's what you need. Whipped topping, 1 egg, powdered sugar, and cake mix. Today, we're going to use strawberry. And why we're doing this is because we have a cookie exchange today for my swim team. Now let's get started. First, we're going to crack the egg. Now we're going to put in the whipped topping. Yes, this is super simple idea. It's also delicious. Now we're gonna make a little ball and put it into powdered sugar. Also, it's sticky, so try not to use your hands. And now you put some powdered sugar on top. And then you're going to roll it to the side as have powdered sugar. Now that our tray's done, we're going to put in the oven at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. And also, this is dirty, so I'm going to clean up. We decided to do both, but here's what we got. Like and subscribe and watch our next video.